One short flight, see if we catch some of the lights here at night, huh? Or,
oh, that'll be golden. Golden!
yes.
That's an awesome plane.
Yeah, they did a nice job on this one, I have to admit.
They did. Wow! It's like 5 feet or less.
That's like a couple of feet with the full flaps, and that wasn't even full throttle takeoff. It was just no, it was about half throttle takeoff.
Wow, that's like a Horizon Hobby brochure picture.
They sponsored one of my videos.
What?
They did. Took one of my videos and put ads up on it while it was playing for this plane.
That's cool.
Horizon Hobby and one other hobby shop. Surprising the Power Hobby didn't do it, considering they're the ones that got me this plane for a deal.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at that Power Hobby again because I found one of your coupons, the green coupon. I'm like, oh, that's good. 10% off.
Yeah, the coupon's not good anymore, unfortunately. But if you need something from Power Hobby, just let me know and I'll
okay.
See what I can do.
Because I think
guy's pretty reasonable. If he's cool with it, I can ask him.
Sure. There's a. Oh, I think you introduced me to Force RC, and they actually merged with Horizon Hobby.
Yeah, Force RC and Horizon.
Yeah.
They're all the same. FMS. They wanted to carry the FMS brand as well.
You could pick the best out of the best pictures and delete the rest.
For what? Oh, the.
I got you with the nice sunset in the background. It's like an ad picture almost. Really, really nice. I haven't done any videos, I swear, in like 2 years. I haven't done shit. This August 10th will be 2 years that I'm working for this company. It just kicks my butt. I get out at 3:30, but I don't get home till 5. I need the UFO. Excuse me.
Where'd the wind go? Now it's coming at my back, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have to land in a crosswind.
It's like east to west now. Yeah, you got a little framing going on. You get this other girl. She's like, I think she's got like anxiety or something. She calls once and I don't answer. Then she calls again like 30 seconds later. She calls again. What the fuck? like
Remember, I'm videoing here. Yeah.
Oops.
I'll have to delete that part. You didn't hear that, guys. We're talking guy talk. Most women we're agreeing are sometimes hard to understand at best. I better shut up. Some of my viewers out there are females. I don't want to lose them. They're only like 4% or 5%, but I love them anyway. Stop laughing! You're making me crack up. I'm gonna crash this thing.
Don't crash,
My hands, the thumbs are quivering here.
Nice. Look at those lights.
That's what I'm trying to get, is some of the lights on this thing. It's got decent lighting, but I'm gonna have to put those 3-watt lights on it if I want to fly it at night. I see. Total darkness, it would probably be just fine.
Yeah, like your other plane.
Yeah.
The timber. Yeah.
Should I bring it over here in the darker sky and see if I can see it? Should we go see what's playing?
Planes, trains, and automobiles, man. Oh, now I lost perspective. Put my glasses on. Wow. Good air rush.
It sounds pretty cool.
It does. I wish I had the drone up now. That would have been really good.
Oh, this time of the night too.
Yeah.
I can only imagine what you're cracking up about.
Oh, that's right. Oops. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, it's getting hard for me to see.
I gotta bring her down. Which way I'm gonna bring her down here? I think I'll bring her this way.
Boy, that just hangs there. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, I gotta be a little careful because it will stall.
Yeah. Always keep some power applied. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, nice. Boy, it's almost like a real plane.
Slow it down, the front wheel starts bouncing, it won't turn.
Oh. That's awesome.
Cool. All right, guys, I think we're about done for the night. Sounds like the fireworks are starting up. Take care. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, or happy Thanksgiving. You got me going. All right, I'm all flustered. Happy 4th of July.